That is it, people. Welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. If you haven't subscribed already, do the right thing. Press that like button and get the video moving. You don't know we're still there at Jamaica. Today we're gonna cook some ackee and saltfish, some green banana, we call Irish, some plantain and some dumpling. Yes, whilst we're in Jamaica, we have to cook ackee because it's the only place you can actually get it fresh. In the UK, you know, it only comes in the tins. So, ackee we are cooked today. You don't know the things that George P, my brethren, is gonna chef it today. I'm gonna do the filming. Brethren Jabari there, and we are going with our vibes. That is it. That is it. Fresh ackee, green banana, hot pepper. Oh, I forget we got yam as well. Him chips. Yeah, man, I want Jabari, you know? Yeah, man. See anything that's going on the ground with the donations? It's me and him that's dealing with it, and George. See him there? Big chef today. George, what is it? GP Cook and Vibe today. What?
Chef up right today in the kitchen.
Fresh ackee. Yeah, man. Can't there Jamaica no eat no fresh ackee. You know, George, cause you don't know how foreign stay already. A tin ackee alone. And it tastes different, completely different. Yeah, to the young there, people.
Spice, the whole thing for the people.
It's the dumpling.
Dumpling wrappers. Ackee and saltfish.
Oh, them the strawberry. That is it.
I think I eat after that.
Yeah, man. That is it. While George, our chef up, I consume one mango. See? Mad as you can't get mangoes like you get in Jamaica. Mad thing in the people. So you say they're in there, cornmeal, flour and salt?
Yeah, cornmeal. I'm gonna eat white flour.
Right.
Him say white flour buying up your belly, so you have to put cornmeal in it.
Oh, okay.
So I say they put the cornmeal in it, they tip a little salt to catch a flavour. You don't want the dumpling them too salty.
Yeah.
Remember we have ackee and saltfish, so
Joe.
just a little flavour. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I will just, knead the cornmeal in the flour like this. You know what I say? Make sure it's a really
Mix and blend with it, yeah.
blend.
Yeah. All right.
You see me?
See the saltfish there? I'm going to soak. Yeah, man. Even before I'm going to do this video, I'm doing this video to teach you how to eat a banana in Jamaica. And before me even do it, Jabari said, yo. I'm saying, no, don't worry, bro. Just chill out, bro. I know what I'm doing, innit? Yeah? Listen, this is how you eat a banana in Jamaica. Don't bite it. Listen, you don't bite it. Take it off like that. That's how you eat it.
That's how you eat banana in Jamaica, okay?
Real Jamaican cornmeal, you hear that?
Yeah, me and the J there going with our vibes until the food ready. That is it. Let me show you all going in the kitchen quickly. Lighter. See what I got in the kitchen. 1GP. See my little plants there, people. That is it. There's a banana in idea with no God. That is it. Green banana. See the dumpling in my guan? That is it. Yeah. That is it, my bro.
Yard man thing, man. You know, banana, you get iron.
Yeah.
Green banana get iron in
Yeah, strong back. Stay with the girl them proper.
We're so for Friday, so cold. First thing as you drop down people, I say iron in it.
Yeah, I really think.
So you have to make sure you eat them things.
Yeah. The yam we are dealing with now.
YGPONECAMP, you see? YGPONECAMP, you see? And look at spot it have a cut off.
Now me there on the road, you see me?
Oh, the thing go.
That is it.
Yeah, me just take a bus now.
Irish in there. Green banana. That is it. Seasonings are there with now.
Seasoning, you see?
Onion.
We don't do them things without onion,
Tomato.
tomato,
Hot pepper.
pepper. You see?
Pepper.
Yeah. Coffee of pepper.
So, Josh, that teach me a new thing. See when you boil the ackee, you just joke two hole in the bag. So you can just boil it in the bag and then take it out, strain it easy, you know?
Easy.
Yeah. You see the saltfish I boil?
Yeah, saltfish, no salt.
I'll see there. Yeah. Yam, Irish, dumpling, mad. Yeah, man. Seasoning them up on. That is it. Saltfish
The
there.
saltfish are going next, you know the thing go.
Hot pepper, onion, tomato, pepper. Yeah. People. Star fruit tree.
I know some growing
Yeah,
from other place too.
man. See it there? That is it. Final product. See it there?
Yeah, I'm ready.
ACKEE saltfish.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
You're not coming out with me like that.
See dumping them there?
Let me cancel this thing for you. Playing games.
Irish, yam, all them things there. Yeah. That is it. Cook and vibe. Fully active in the kitchen. That is it.
Children.
That is it.
Yeah, that is it.
Yeah, hungry belly boy.
I'm the chef.
We say it tastes good.
Tell them us, man, top.
Joe, see it there people. Dumpling. Green banana, yam, ACKEE and saltfish. That is it. Maddest thing. That is it people. Make we taste George P. ACKEE and saltfish. Mad. Yam. Green banana. That is it, y'all. Mad.
I have some.
Fully active. Yeah.
You find the ocean of
Caramel dumpling, them bad.
like the Avengers. What was it going to be in the future? Did one look different? Did you have any new powers?
Never taste ACKEE and saltfish like you do in Jamaica. Trust me.
Just following